Creating memorable NPCs might seem overwhelming at first. But what if you could build characters that your players actually remember? In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a foundation for NPCs with distinct personalities using C++ and Blueprint in Unreal Engine. Let's start by creating our NPC base class. Open your Unreal Engine project and follow these steps. Navigate to the Tools menu and select New C++ class. When the window appears, you will see various parent class options. We want our NPCs to move around and interact with the world. So select Character as the parent class and click Next. For organization, create a new folder structure for your NPCs. Set the class name to Base NPC. This will be our foundation for all future NPC types. After clicking Create Class, Visual Studio will open automatically. Do not worry if you see a compilation error at first. This is common when creating new classes. The header reference in the code file might be incorrect. We will fix that in a moment. In the header file, we will create a structure that holds our NPC's personality traits. First, make sure to include the necessary header for gameplay tags. Each property serves a specific purpose. The character name is self-explanatory, while occupation, core motivation, and character quirk use gameplay tags for flexible categorization. Social confidence will influence how your NPC interacts with others. In the base class, add a public property of type fPersonality and make it accessible to Unreal Engine editors and Blueprint. Open your project settings and select Gameplay Tags. Click on the Manage Gameplay Tags to open the tag editor. We will create three main categories: character.occupation.merchant, character.motivation.business success, character.quirk.obsessively organized. These tags form a hierarchy that you can expand based on your game's needs. For example, under occupation, you might add tags for guards, farmers, or artisans. In your content browser, create a new folder for your NPCs. In the folder, create a new character blueprint. Select Base NPC from the class list. Name your new blueprint BP_shopkeeper NPC. Open the blueprint and assign a skeletal mesh. This will be the visual representation of your NPC. Set up an animation blueprint as well. In the class details panel, you will find the personality we created. Let's set up our character name, set the social confidence, assign an occupation, set the core motivation, and finally add the character quirk. Remember to compile and save your blueprint. You have now created the foundation for personality-driven NPCs in your game. This base class will allow you to create diverse characters with distinct traits and behaviors. In part 2, we will explore how to make a NPC time-aware and follow a schedule. In part 3, we will look at implementing a dialogue system. And finally, in part 4, use these personality traits to drive NPC behavior and create dynamic interactions. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Watch this video for more AI development tips. See you in the next one.